Yung receiver ko nito, patayaan ako para kay Kylie. Yung receiver, nasaan? Si Kylie, maganda na siya. Balikan. Ito ako lang.
Thank you for the City of Malabon University for the entrance floor, and also thank you to the CMU.
Isang magandang umaga, CMU Community. Ako po si Kylie Nicole Mariano ng CMU iConnect. At live po tayo ngayon dito mga Connect sa Malabon Sports Center upang masaksihan ng Recognition Day at hooding ceremony ng graduate school ng City of Malabon University. Mga Connect, para sa iba sa inyo, ang Recognition Day ay tungkol lamang sa pagbibigay ng medalya at certificate sa mga estudyante. Ngunit higit pa po rito ang katumbas ng Recognition Day dahil ito rin po ay nagsisilbing pagkilala sa ipinamalas na galing, husay, talino, talento at sakripisyo ng mga mag-aaral ng CMU sa kanilang pag-aaral. At kanina nga po mga Connect, bilang panimula ng araw na ito ay nagkaroon po tayo ng baccalaureate mass na inyo rin pong napanood na sinundan po ng candle lighting ng mga estudyante po at pinangunahan po ito ng ating City Vice Mayor na si Vice Mayor Edward Nolasco at Councilor Nadia Vicencio. Mga Connect, maya-maya lamang po ay makakasama natin ang ating butihing Mayor Jeannie Sandoval sa pagbibigay ng parangal sa mga estudyante ngayong Recognition Day. At mamaya rin po ay magsisimula ng Recognition Day. Ngayon po ay nandito po yung mga faculty members ng CMU, ang mga university official na pinangunahan po ng ating University President na si Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon. Sa ngayon po mga Connect, kaya nagbibigay po ng kanyang mensahe ang University Student Council President na si Miss Kate Siochi. Pakinggan po natin ang kanyang opening remarks mga ka-Connect.
Sacrifices and the countless battles under the hill of life. The finish line that once seemed distant and impossible was finally within our reach. And as the saying goes, the strongest keys are not those sheltered from the storm, but those that have learned how to go through it. And today, we celebrate not only the destination, but the journey that brought us here. And if there is one lesson that City of Malabon University taught me throughout my 4 years of service, leadership, and involvement in various organizations and activities, it is this: no success is ever achieved alone. Behind every achievement we celebrate today are people who walk this journey with us. The mentors who guided us, the friends who stayed, the families who sacrificed, and communities that nurtured us. Their support became our strength, and their faith carried us through moments when our own seemed difficult to find. So today, we celebrate a collective achievement, and there are countless individuals who have helped shape the journey of every graduate present at this hall. So allow me first to recognize those whose leadership and dedication have created opportunities not only for me, but for all of us who proudly call ourselves students of City of Malabon University. First and foremost, to the local government of Malabon City, and to the leaders of the institution that became our second home, to our City Mayor, Honorable Jeannie Sandoval, whose vision continues to create opportunities for students like us, to our esteemed University President, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, whose guidance, friendships, and love have shaped my journey. To my first mentors, the people who welcome the freshmen carrying little more than hope and uncertainty, to Dr. Jose Capsi, former Dean of College of Teacher Education, to Professor Maria Luisa Donco, and Sir Aaron Sanchez, thank you for seeing potential in me long before I learned to see myself. To my fellow officers in the CPO University Student Council, especially during the Academic 2024-2025, to Regina Antagalita Salasta, to Mark Orsua, Rochelle Alundon, Daisy Leonson, Shine Mabiki, Maria Rosetta Matre, Christine Garcia, and to my parents, Ray Barada. Thank you because leadership was never easy, but serving alongside all of you made every challenge worthwhile. And to the people who became my refuge during life's most difficult season in college, Ate Michelle Maluar, Kimberly Estrella, Lani Sienco, Jervelle Estrella, Angela Maysaya, Johnny A. Soson, Rising A. Pizon, and Agapella Faye. Thank you for reminding me that strength is not always found in standing alone, but in knowing who to lean on when the road wants us to go. And of course, to my family, most especially to my father, whose hard work became the bridge that brought me to the stage. To myself as mother, whose unwavering support never let me lose sight of my dreams. This achievement carries your fingerprints as much as it carries mine. And every graduate in this hall has their own list of names, their own story of people who made this journey possible. Yet amidst all of the gratitude we extend today, there is one recognition we often overlook. And that is the recognition that we owe to ourselves. Because beyond the support we received and the opportunities we were given, it was our own perseverance that carried us through the sleepless nights and moments of uncertainty during college. And so, let us turn our attention to those who fought battles no one else would fight for them. The students, the graduating class of 2026. Today, let us be proud of ourselves because we know what it took to get here. We know the battles that no one saw. We know what it felt like to carry expectations while quietly carrying our own struggles. We know the weight of uncertainty, the dreams we almost convince ourselves to let go of, and the courage to continue when the future seems unclear. And today, here we are. Not because the journey was easy, but because we chose not to surrender to the challenges that sought to define us. And despite every setback, every disappointment, every closed door, and every storm you face, we continue to move forward. Malayo pa, pero malayo na. And as we sit in this hall today, let us remember that the this moment is with applause. This moment belongs to you. And as we prepare to step into the chapter, may you carry with us the friendships and memories that City of University has given us. May we never forget the most advanced success may bring us to different destinations. Gratitude will always bring us home. To the people who helped us become who we are today, thank you so much. And to Batch 2026, welcome to the celebration of your hard work, your sacrifices, your resilience, and your triumphs. Magandang araw at mabuhay tayo.
Thank you, Ms. Sochi, for your warm and inspiring message about all this time should become a meaningful part of the celebration as we hear words of wisdom and encouragement from our distinguished speakers.
Our distinguished guests have continually demonstrated exemplary leadership and unwavering commitment to public service and community development.
It's our privilege to acknowledge their presence this morning. We respectfully recognize Honorable O.J.E. Edson Lomo, City Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Regents, Honorable Federico Edson Lomo II, Chairman of the Red Cross Volleyball Chapter, Honorable Edward C. Olasco, City Vice Mayor, Councilor Ellen Marie O. Essential, Chairperson of the Committee on Education, and Dr. Alexander Pico Secretary, City Administrator.
We inspire our honorees and graduate candidates as they continue to pursue excellence. May we now call on Honorable Edward C. Council, City Vice Mayor, for his inspirational message.
Pinagmamahal sa ating lahat. Sa ating pinamahal na City Mayor and Chair of the Board of Regents, Mayor Lee Pensalawat, ang ating Chairman of the Red Cross, the Chapter of the Committee sa Salawat, upang the-education Director of Councilor Kali, Essential, our Assistant Inspector of the Alexander P. Giuseppe, University President of the Len D. Toledo, President for American Affairs Dr. Wilson Vice President for Finance Dr. Porfirio Antonio, Dr. Jefferson Cruz, Dr. Lady, our University Registrar, sa mga miyembro ng Board of Regents, University officials, authorities, CMU Moral, CMU Workers, sa mga heads. Sa ating mga tapos, awardees, parents, at sa lahat po ng ating mga guests sa mga klase nyo. Ito ay para sa tama pagkilala at pagkainom ng inyong mga message. Sa ating mga graduates at awardees, puso ko pwede na ating ang bawat medalya, diploma, at pagkilala ng inyong mga ngayon ay bunga ng isipan at saka ng aning sa inyong mga pamahaman. Maraming kayo nilalahanan upang marating ang araw na ito, kaya nalaman ay pagkilala ninyo ang inyong pagkilala. Nais ko ipagod ang aking pangarang lungsod ng nalulayan ng Pilipinas, kakuha ang inyong pagkakalaan sa pinapagod kayo po sa mga kanilang pagkakalaan. Patuloy na rin susuportahan ang mga programa ng Pilipinas ng edukasyon para sa maraming kababayan sa pagkat naniniwala kami ang bawat pag-aaral na nabibigyan ng mga sa mga sa hindi rin magiging posible ang magupay nito kung wala ang suporta ng inyong mga magulang, pamilya, upang lahat ng tao ng magupay sa inyong magupay. Ang pagkakala nito ay para sa inyo. Alam pa ako natin sa inyo. Muli, puso-puso ng pinatapin ng graduate school, booking ang awareness for our graduate graduate disease. Magsisimula ko ito ang mga sa aking pagkakupay at magiging succession kayo sa susunod generation. Sa ngalan ko, mga katusunod sa aking patuloy, kami magiging kakapay sa inyong mga pangarap at pagbubaw sa inyong generation. Muli kailangan na sa akin at mga nasa aking Luzon. Mabuhay ang Sisang University, mabuhay ang aking mga pag-graduates, mabuhay sa aking mga mga sa inyo.
Thank you, Honorable Edward C. Velasco, our City Vice Mayor, for your religion message.
Education remains a powerful instrument for personal growth and community development. To share her thoughts on our importance of academic achievement and lifelong learning, may we now call on Councilor Nadia Marie Essential, Chairperson of the Committee on Education, for her inspirational message.
Good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Sa ating po na Mayor Virgin Sandoval, sa ating po na City Vice Mayor Edward Velasco, sa ating po na officials and administrators sa City of Malabon University, Dr. Len P. De Leon, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. William C. Enrique, Dr. Porfirio R. Finance and OIC Vice President for Research, Development, and External Affairs, Professor Jefferson Cruz, University Secretary, University Accountant, Professor Irene Elliott, University Registrar, sa lahat po ng teams, program chairpersons, unit heads, coordinators, faculty, parents, students, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Kumusta naman kayo? Excited? Para po mga ata, kumusta kayo? Okay, sige. Nakita pa yun na yung umaga, ramdam naman natin. Mainit ang araw, tapos kita po muna ng malakas. Siguro parang sa akin, mixed emotions, iba dito, natapakan, yung iba masaya. Excited, dahil syempre, alam natin, graduate na tayo. Magtatapos na tayo sa mga puyang days. Pero syempre, hindi pa rin nalungkot at alam natin may mga minis sa ating eskwelahan, sa ating university. May mga kamadre, ang todo mini, at todo ang outfit. There's a distinct electricity in the air, a shared breath of talumpay and of relief. Today is a recognition day at the City of Malabon University, a moment where time and beauty stands still to honor the relentless pursuit of excellence and the profound resilience of its community. Alam mo, this day was not built overnight on a single day of love. It was forged in the quiet and keen hours of immense hardship. It leaves with a heavy-eyed spot off during exhausting nights. The financial constraints quietly endured the complex family responsibilities balanced alongside academic demands and the overwhelming anxiety of chasing a better future. Puyat, pagod, at panahon ang puhunan ang investment natin dito na mahirap maghinap. Every individual, whether student, parent, or educator, carries a personal story of a moment they felt completely overwhelmed and wanted to give up. Nakakaramdam na gusto ng sumuko, pero pinili na magpatuloy at magpursige. Kayo yun, diyan pa lang ang ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. I give honor sa ating mga magulang, guardians na lumangay sa atin. To be part of the CFP community has always been possessing this unique and breakable grit, a spirit deeply shaped by the vibrant of Malabon, a city that knows exactly how to weather any storm and emerge stronger. Sabi nga nila napaka-resilient daw ng mga taga-Malabon. Pero hinahamon ko kayo, siguro tapos na, or
Kuhain mo kay-
sabihin na resilient tayo. Ang resilient kasi hindi ko sabihin, di ba, na pagtitiisan natin ay gagawin natin. Pero siguro, sa inyo, nakita namin na hindi lang tayo naging resilient. Tayo ay nagbigay ng solusyon. Tayo ay nag-resolve ng mga problema. Kayo ang nakikitaan namin ng pag-asa. And this year, that shared endurance has culminated in a historic milestone for the entire institution. We did not just survive our collective challenges, we conquered them. Today, we celebrate the rewarding aim of having 16 academic programs accredited with a certificate of program compliance, alongside our full institutional recognition. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating CMU family sa pangunguna ni President Len De Leon dahil finally nakuha na natin ang institutional recognition. This phenomenal achievement stands as an unyielding proof that CMU does not merely offer education. It delivers top-tier quality excellence that meets the highest standards. When the names are finally called today, the applause that fills the room in a symphony of collective sacrifice. It belongs to the parents who work double shifts and made countless compromises to provide allowances and cheap fares. Palakpakan natin at bigyan natin ang buhay ng ating mga magulang na talagang nagtira para suportahan at itawid ang inyong pag-aaral. Karapat-dapat lang na
bigyan ng pugay. It belongs to the professors and administrators who pour their hearts, tears, and intellectual energy into uplifting the university's standards. Palakpakan din natin ang ating mga guro, ang ating professor, ang ating mga deans, na hindi nagsawa na maging nanay at tatay ninyo during your college and master's life ninyo. And most of all, it belongs to you, the students who transformed every obstacle into a stepping stone. Palakpakan ninyo ang inyong sarili. Kami ay natutuwa at proud na proud sa inyong narating. As you feel the weight of your medals and hold your certificates, remember that this recognition is not a finish line. Kayo ay nag-uumpisa pa lamang. The competence, intelligence, and character you have built within the walls of our university are tools meant to transform the world outside. You are the future leaders, innovators, and pillars of this community, uniquely equipped to turn personal victories into a collective triumph for Malabon and beyond. As this ceremony closes, one beautiful truth remains. We struggled, we persevered, and together we conquered. Ang sabi nga, hindi ba tatak CMU, tatak mahusay. Legit ang kasabihan, in unity, we find our harmony. In harmony, we find our strength. Magkakasama po tayo hanggang sa dulo ng tagumpay at pag-asa para sa magandang bukas. So muli, congratulations to the dreamers, achievers, and trailblazers of the City of Malabon University. The future is officially yours. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Councilor Nadia Marie Ogisesha, for your inspiring message and steadfast support for education.
Paano mo doon?
Provide for the words of inspiration and guidance to our honorees and graduate candidates. We now call on Councilor Mariana Tita Limbaugh for her inspirational message. A round of applause. Good morning. Recognizing our city mayor, Regine Gawan, and Congressman Lisa Gawan, Chairman Director Salwa, Vice Mayor Heather Velasco, Chairperson of Student Education, Councilor Melanie Central, Dr. Glenn Leon, University President, Dr. William Biggin, Ex-President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Porfirio Macaulico, Vice President for Administration, Finance, and OIC Vice President for Research, Development, and External Affairs, Professor Joseph Cruz, University Secretary, and University Government, Professor Eric Peña, University Registrar, Deans, Program Chairperson, Meeting Heads, Coordinating faculty, parents, and students. I would just like to greet you a very warm good morning and congratulations as what also said. This is a long process and I congratulate you for finishing it and for having that courage, resilience, to everything despite the hardships. Kaya congratulations po. Siyempre, sa ating parents ninyo. And I would like to request that we, whatever you achieve today, please pass it forward. While the success comes from God, through your prayers, of the community, your family. Kaya to make a better Malabon, please pass it forward every day. And you will be achieving the greater community. Congratulations. Thank you, Pastor. We have one second hour inspiration. One of the most significant traditions of graduate education is the opening and capping ceremony. The academic book symbolizes the vision of advanced studies significant scholarly excellence, while the cap signifies academic achievement and readiness for greater responsibility.
We shall now proceed with the hooding and cupping ceremony of the School of Graduate Studies. The hoods and cups shall be done by Honorable Edward Simolas, Co-City Vice Mayor, Councilor Nacho Martinez Session, Chairman of Committee on Education, and Councilor Maria Ana Executive Hall. Dr. Tulandi De Leon, University President, Dr. Vila Vice Enrique, Vice President for Academic Affairs and Dean of the School of Graduate Studies, and Dr. Porfirio R. Catolico Jr., Vice President for Administration and Finance, and OIC Vice President for Research, Development, and External Affairs.
May now present the graduate degree candidates for the putting and capping ceremony. As the names are called for the program, the respective thesis titles shall also be announced in recognition of their scholarly work and research contributions. We begin with the candidates for the degree of Master of Arts in Educational Management. Anay Secrets Medal, Island Implementation, study of the revised thinking and curriculum at the school's division of Malabon.
Bautista Merwin Navarro, Local Heritage Appreciation and Identity Formation among undergraduate students in the city of Malabon University. Basis for a proposed place-based course framework. Of select private schools in Malabon City. Basis for school action plan. Marie Socko, organizational commitment on reducing teacher turnover in select private schools in Caloocan City. Basis for faculty retention program. Elegante, teaching physical education component using safe, maximum participation, involved learning, enjoyment, success framework, basis for action. Perez Jesper Monte Castro, sports participation and academic performance of student athletes in Malabon City, basis for academic sports program model. Quintin Zacarias Jr. Azican, teachers assessment practices on student remediation and intervention. Roslyn Gregorio Jr. Yao, influence of social media on the mental health status of the select local university students, basis for intervention plan. Santos Tonibel Bermudez, parental child rearing practices and academic performance of grade 5 learners in Malabon Elementary School at Malabon City, basis for parental child development. This concludes the presentation of the candidates for the degree of Master of Arts in Educational Management.
We now present the candidates for the degree of Master in Business Administration. Abute Donna Furo. Performance and productivity of select warehouse employees in Bulacan, basis for training development program. Atienza John Razel Bermeo, This is titled Customer Satisfaction of Utilizing Chatbot in Select Online Food Business in Navotas City. Pili Renato Bautista. This is titled Digital Marketing Strategies of Select Food Industry in Malabon City, Basis for Enhanced Marketing Plan. Doong Maria Regina Babon. This is titled The Impact of Work-Life Balance on Job Satisfaction Among Back Office Operations Employees. This is titled Impact of Social Media Influencers on Customer Engagement and Purchase Intention Towards Local Skincare Products. Basis for Promotional Strategies. Loraya Abigail Perez. This is titled The Impact of Technology on the Recruitment and Deployment Process in a Manpower Company. Lazaro Rance Anthony Bernardo. This is titled The Role of Job Creation Among Cafes and Restaurants in Malabon City. Basis for Operational Development Plan. Makmak Jovain Lin Alejo. This is titled Coffee Shop Ambience on Customer Loyalty and Retention, Basis for Operational Marketing Plan. Palingkod Angelica Sambayo. This is titled Service Quality of Select Air Conditioning Companies in Caloocan and Malabon. Basis for an improvement performance service delivery plan. Panghulan Darlene Medina. This is titled Life Insurance Sales Challenges Among Agents in Metro Manila. Basis for Promotional Strategies. Ramos Asuncion Maceda. This is titled Acceptability and Marketability of Vegan Condiments Product. Basis for Operational Marketing Plan. And Villarreal Sherwin Namora. This is titled The Level of Employee Satisfaction in a Logistic Company. Basis for Work-Life Balance Program. Concludes the presentation of the candidates for the degree of Master in Business Administration.
We now present the candidates for the degree of Master of Criminal Justice Education. To begin with, may we call on Afwang Xavier John Martin Doctolero, Crime Prevention Operation in Maintaining Peace and Order in Tondo, Manila. Albior Jr. Renato Mercado, Police Presence in Digital Platform, Basis for Social Media Awareness Program. presentation of candidates for the degree of Master of Criminal Justice Education.
We now present the candidates for the degree of Master of Information Technology. Buraga Michael Paul Gumiran. This is titled Digitalize of Membership Management System at Rodriguez Fitness Center in Valenzuela City. Concepcion Jeb Gobres. This is titled Web-Based Management System for Business Linkages and Partnership Office at City of Malabon University. Paul John. This is titled Scheduling Update Monitoring System for Doctor Appointment Management at San Pedro Calungsod Medical Center. Larry Jr. Lakbayan. This is titled Development of a Web-Based Real-Time Classroom Response System with Automated Feedback on Student Engagement at Selected Local University in Kamanava. Concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree of Master of Information Technology.
We now present the candidates for the degree of Master in Public Administration. May we call on Aquino John Michael Himor, Digital Transformation on Organizational Performance in Select Public Elementary Schools in Valenzuela. Arlegui Ramoncito Diaz, Barangay Level Efficacy of Child Protection Policies, a study of 21 barangays in Malabon City. Aumentado Arnold Jr. Leonardo, practices gaming industry. Basis for an enhancement of environmental social governance plan. Baltazar Alvin Cruz lived the experiences of radio journalists on issues and challenges in covering Malacanang news. Of financial education of uniformed and non-uniformed personnel of select cooperatives in government agency. Dalida J. Florimar, text messaging platform used by local government unit in delivering public Lord Roan Cinco, technology, task, and organization on the use of social media in local government units. Garcia Luisito Manile, operational interoperability of Philippine Army in humanitarian assistance and disaster management in Kamanava. Garcia Paula J. de la Cruz, disaster risk management of the residents in Caloocan City, basis for preparational plan. Guardel Maricel Crisaldo, Disaster Risk Reduction Management practices among LGU personnel in select cities in the National Capital Region. Basis for risk reduction improvement plan. Lagman Mary Ann Botero, evaluating e-government services quality in a government agency. Matridano April Joy Caballero, level of satisfaction of government personnel in School Division Office, Malabon City. Basis for an enhancement program to improve the level of job satisfaction. Rivera Galvin Portillo, Public Financial Management PFM System of the Select Local Government Units. Not the least, Solis Marimar Fajardo, Solid Waste Management Strategy of Select Barangay in Malabon City. Basis for an action plan. Presentation of the candidates for the degree Master in Public Administration.
We now present the candidate for the degree of Doctor in Business Administration. Dakel Dwight Docalos, dissertation title, Social Media Marketing Influence on Brand Equity and Customer Satisfaction of Motorcycle Dealer Branches. Basis for Digital Marketing Programs. Conclude the presentation of the candidate for the degree of Doctor in Business Administration. We now present for the degree of Doctor of Education, Major in Educational Management. Concepcion Ruel Matabia, dissertation title, Leadership Styles on School Achievement and Efficiency, Basis for Comprehensive Leadership Training Model. Dissertation title, Evaluation of the Comprehensive Rapid Literacy Assessment, CRLA, among public elementary schools in Kamanava, basis for a work application plan. And finally, Raon Elaine Karasi, dissertation title, Evaluation of School Learning Action Cell, SLAC Program in Schools Division of Kamanava, basis for professional training. And this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree of Doctor of Education, Major in Educational Management. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating the graduates of the School of Graduate Studies with warm round of applause. We commend for you the dedication, perseverance, and commitment to academic excellence. This concludes the hooding and cupping ceremony of the School of Graduate Studies.
To inspire our graduates as they embark on a new chapter of their lives, may we now call on our University President, Dr. Glenn T.B. De Leon, for his inspirational message.
Once again, good morning everyone. To the officials of City of Malabon University, from Vice Presidents, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. William Enrique, Vice President for Admin and Finance, NOIC, Vice President for Research, Development and Extension, Dr. June Catolico, to our deans, Dean of the College of Business, Dr. Joseph Adolf Piao, Dean of the College of Teachers Education, Dr. Vanji De La Cruz, Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Nelson Leage, Dean of the College of Computer Studies, Dr. J.M. De La Cruz, to the Dean of the School of Graduate Studies, Dr. William Enrique, to the program chairs, faculty members, staff, to our dearest students, awardees, once again, good morning. It is with immense pride and heartfelt congratulations that I extend my warmest greetings to all our academic and non-academic awardees of Batch 2026. Today, we celebrate not only your outstanding achievements, but also your unwavering commitment to excellence. perseverance, and service. Your accomplishments are testaments to the countless hours of hard work, determination, and resilience that have defined your journey. This year's theme, From Knowledge to Nation Building, reminds us that education is a powerful force for transformation. The knowledge you have gained within our university is not meant to remain confined to the classroom. It is meant to be shared, applied, and used to uplift communities and contribute to the development of our nation. As recipients of this distinguished recognition, you have demonstrated the excellence comes many ways, many forms, whether in academics, leadership, research, athletics, culture and the arts, innovation, or community engagement. You have become role models whose dedication inspires others to pursue their own aspirations with integrity and purpose. As you continue your journey, I encourage you to remain lifelong learners. And this is the reason why we intend to include the program of hooding to our graduates of graduate studies so that we can inspire you to follow their footsteps. Maasahan ba namin sa City of Malabon University na ang aming undergraduate students after your graduation, mag-aaral kayong muli. Master's degree naman yung next goal. Maari ba yun? Maging inspiration and motivation ninyong lahat yung ating graduates sa grad school. Our country needs individuals who possess not only knowledge and competence, but also character, empathy, and genuine commitment to public service. I also extend my deepest appreciation to your parents, families, mentors, faculty members, and staff whose unwavering support has helped make the success possible. This recognition is a shared triumph that reflects the strength of our academic community. On behalf of the entire university, I congratulate each one of you for bringing honor to our institution. May you continue to uphold the values of excellence, integrity, and service as you become active partners in building a stronger, more progressive, and more compassionate nation. But before I end my speech, I just would like to emphasize na yung batch ninyo very memorable. Why? Sabay tayong pumasok ng CMU. Tama? Kayo yung first year students nung kami yung pumasok as new administrators. Tama ba? In 4 years, magkasama nating na-witness lahat ng challenges. At napakaswerte nyo. Bakit? Magtatapos kayo na may COPC, may institutional recognition. Alam nyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng COPC at institutional recognition? Sa mga board courses, alam nyo ba na hindi na kayo makakapag-take ng board exam kung wala kayong COPC, wala kayong IR. Kaya sa board courses nating mga gagraduate ngayon, napakahalaga ng COPC and IR. Sir, wala naman kaming board exam, mahalaga pa rin po ba yun? Yes. Pag nag-abroad kayo, kailangan nyo ng CAV. Hindi kayo considered na college graduate pag walang COPC, walang IR ang inyong mga diploma at TOR. Alam nyo ba yun? Pero ngayon, meron. Kaya mag-abroad man kayo, considered na rin kayo as college graduate. Palakpakan nyo ang ating mga sarili.
And if you want to avail scholarships, no, from CHED, you can do so. Kasi meron kayong IR. And also our faculty members, they can also avail of all kinds of grants, no, offered by CHED if they wish to continue their studies, to specialize their field of expertise. Again, congratulations, Batch 2026. May your success today inspire a lifetime of meaningful achievements. Mabuhay ang City of Malabon University, tatak CMU, tatak mahusay.
Thank you so much, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, our beloved University President.
May we invite everyone to please rise as we acknowledge the presence of our City Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Regents, Honorable Jeannie N. Sandoval, and the Chairman of the Red Cross Malabon Chapter, Honorable Federico S. Sandoval II. A round of applause, please. Academic excellence and outstanding service deserve recognition and celebration. Today, we honor individuals who have demonstrated exceptional performance, leadership, dedication, and commitment throughout their academic journey. Their achievements reflect not only their hard work and perseverance, but also the values of excellence that the City of Malabon University upholds. The recognition of awardees shall be presented by college, with each program to be introduced by respective program chairs. At this juncture, may we call on the City Mayor of Malabon and the Chairman of the Board of Regents for her inspirational message, Honorable Jeannie N. Sandoval.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. To Congressman Federico Sandoval, Chairman of Red Cross Malabon Chapter, Vice Mayor Edward Nolasco, City Administrator Alexander Rosete, Councilor Nadia Marie Vicencio, Councilor Maria Annalisa Yambao, to our City of Malabon University administrators, Dr. Glenn De Leon, University President, Dr. William Enrique, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Porfirio Catolico, Vice President for Administration and Finance, OIC Vice President for Research, Development, and External Affairs, Professor Jefferson Cruz, University Secretary and University Accountant, Professor Irene Taleb, University Registrar, to our deans, program chairpersons, unit heads, coordinators, faculty, parents, and students. Today is one of those occasions that remind us why we do what we do. Behind every graduate seated before us is a story, a story of sacrifices made by parents who worked tirelessly to send their children to school. A story of students who stayed up late studying for exams, balanced responsibilities at home, and chose to keep going even when things become difficult. To all our graduates, today is your day. Congratulations. Mr. Mayor, seeing the venue filled with graduates give me hope. Hope that Malabon's future is in capable hands. Hope that the next generation of teachers, public servants, entrepreneurs, engineers, professionals, and community leaders is ready to build a better city and a better Philippines. When we chose to invest in education, we knew we were investing in something that would outlast any building or infrastructure projects. Roads may connect communities, but education transforms lives. It creates opportunities, opens doors, and allows people to dream bigger than their circumstances. That's why the city government that has remained steadfast in supporting the City of Malabon University. We believe that every Malabueño deserves access to quality higher education regardless of financial status. Today, we celebrate not only your achievements but also another milestone in CMU's journey. This year, our university received institutional recognition from the Commission on Higher Education. 33 years after it was established, its academic programs now hold certificates of program compliance. These are accomplishments that reflect years of hard work by our administrators, faculty members, staff, students, alumni, and everyone who believed that CMU could become a university that Malabon can truly be proud of. But awards and recognitions are never the final goal. They simply remind us that excellence is possible when people work together with a common purpose. Graduates, as you receive your medals, certificates, diplomas today, remember that they represent more than academic achievements. They also represent responsibility. Our city does not simply need intelligent people. It needs people of integrity. It needs professionals who choose honesty over shortcuts, compassion over indifference, and service over self-interest. Wherever life takes you after today, never forget where you started. Never be ashamed to say that you came from Malabon. Be proud. And that you graduated from the City of Malabon University. Carry your school with pride, not only through your words, but through the kind of person you become. For parents and families, this celebration belongs to you as well. Thank you for believing in your children, even during moments when they doubted themselves. Your sacrifices made today possible. For professors and university personnel, thank you for your patience, your guidance, and your commitment to shaping not just competent graduates, but responsible citizens. And finally, to our graduates, enjoy this moment, celebrate your accomplishments, but tomorrow begin asking yourselves a different question. Not what the world can give me, but what I can contribute to my family, my community, and my country. Because the true measure of success is not how high we climb, but how many lives we were able to uplift along the way. Congratulations once again to the graduates of the City of Malabon University academic year 2025 to 2026. May you continue to dream boldly, work with integrity, and serve with compassion. At bago po ako magtapos, nais ko pong i-announce sa ating pong mga Latin honors, meron po tayong ibibigay na incentives. sa cum laude, 2,000 pesos. Magna cum laude, 3,000 pesos. Sa summa cum laude, 5,000 pesos. Continue to work hard, study harder, and be proud that you came from the city of Malabon University. Congratulations on your job well done. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Jeannie N. Sandoval, our City Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Bridges, for truly inspiring our graduates. At this juncture, may we call on Honorable Federico S. Sandoval II, Chairman of the Red Cross Malabon Chapter, for his inspirational message.
Magandang araw po sa lahat, sa ating Mayor, Jeannie Sandoval, Josiana Leslie Yambao, Dr. Glenn De Leon, at sa lahat ng mga kawani ng City Malabon University, sa lahat po ng ating mga ibang katulong sa ating universidad. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Sa ating mga mahuhusay na mag-aaral, sa ating mga magulang at pamilya, sa ating mga guro, sa Administrasyon ng University, sa mga pangunahing pandangal, at sa lahat ng narito, isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Isang malaking karangalan para sa akin na makarating dito sa inyong okasyon ngayong araw na ito. Ngayong araw, hindi lamang natin kinikilala ang mga nagsisipagtapos at mga nagsuot ng hood bilang simbolo ng mas mataas na antas ng pag-aaral. Binibigyan din natin ng pagkilala ang mga tumanggap ng pinakamataas na karangalan ng ating mga cum laude, magna cum laude, at summa cum laude. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Ngunit alam nating lahat na ang medalya na iyong isusot ngayon ay hindi lamang gawa sa metal. Ito ay binuo ng maraming gabi na walang tulog ng mga pagsusulit sa inyong mga nalampasan, ng mga sakripisyo ng inyong mga magulang at ng walang sawang paggabay ng inyong mga guro. Hindi madaling maging honor student. Marami pagkakataon, gusto nang sumuko, ngunit pinilit ninyong magpatuloy. At yan ang tunay na kahulugan ng tagumpay. Well, nais kong sabihin sa ating mga awardees, ang Latin Honor ay simula lamang. Hindi ito katapusan ng inyong paglalakbay. Sa totoong buhay, hindi palaging ang may pinakamataas na grado ang nagtatagumpay. Ang tunay na sukatan ng tagumpay ang inyong integridad, sipag, malasakit sa kapwa, at kakayahang gamitin ang inyong kaalaman upang makatulong sa lipunan. Bilang dating congressman, nakita ko kung gaano kahalaga ang edukasyon sa pagbabago ng buhay ng isang tao. Marami tayong kababayan na nakakaahaw sa kahirapan kahit lamang sa isang informal. Bilang chairman ng Red Cross Malabon, araw-araw kong nakikita ang kahalagahan ng paglilingkod at bilang pangulo rin ng Rotary Club ng Malabon, lalo kong napatunayan na ang pinakamalaking tagumpay ay hindi kung gaano karami ang iyong naipon, kundi gaano karaming buhay ang iyong natulungan. Kaya sana, habang tinutupad ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap, huwag niyong kalilimutan balikan ang inyong pinanggalingan. Huwag niyong na kayo naman ay magiging mga abogado, guro, negosyante, leader ng ating pamahalaan at mga profesional na iba pang larangan. Kapag dumating ang araw na yon, tandaan ninyo na may responsibilidad kayong gamitin ang inyong talento hindi lamang para sa inyong sarili, kundi para rin sa ating lungsod at sa ating bansa. Sa ating mga magulang, ang medalya ng inyong mga anak ay medalya rin ninyo. Kayo ang unang naging guro, unang naging inspirasyon sa kanila. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal at sakripisyo. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga magulang. Sa ating mga guro at sa buong pamunuan ng City of Malabon University, taus-puso rin po ang aking pasasalamat. Hindi nyo lamang tuturuan ng ating mga kabataan ng mga aralin sa silid-aralan. Hinuhubog ninyo ang ating magiging leader ng kinabukasan. Sa ating mga nagsisipagtapos at binibigyan ng parangal ngayong araw, nais kong maiwan ang isang simpleng paalala. Huwag hayaang ang diploma ang maging pinakamataas ninyong tagumpay. Gawin ninyong mas mahalaga ang magandang pangalan kaysa sa magandang titulo. Sapagkat ang talino ay hinahangaan, ngunit ang mabuting pagkatao ay hindi kailanman nalilimutan. Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga cum laude, magna cum laude, at graduate school graduate, at sa bawat estudyanteng nagtatagumpay. Ang sabi nila, ngayong panahon ng AI ay mahirap daw kumuha ng trabaho at maraming tatanggalin sa trabaho. Pero dito sa ating mga graduate ngayon, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil nasa City of Malabon ang mga pinakamatalinong estudyante sa ating lugar. Ang delikado ay yung mga galing sa isang lugar, hindi kayo. Kaya naway maging inspirasyon kayo sa susunod na henerasyon sa mga mag-aaral ng City of Malabon University. Mabuhay ang Malabon University, mabuhay ang lungsod ng Malabon, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po muli at congratulations.
Thank you very much, Honorable Federico Ricky Sandoval II, the Chairman of the Red Cross Malabon Chapter, for your inspirational message. At this juncture, may we now invite our distinguished guests, our university administrators, deans and faculty members, and graduates together at the front of our official photo opportunity. We kindly ask everyone to assemble in the front of our graduates and to follow the photographer's directions.
So all students, so please rise for the photo op opportunity.
Thank you very much. You may now all be seated. Academic excellence and outstanding service deserve recognition and celebration. Today, we honor individuals who have demonstrated exceptional performance, leadership, dedication, and commitment throughout their academic journey. Their achievements reflect not only their hard work and perseverance, but also the values of excellence that the City of Malabon University upholds. The recognition of awardees shall be presented by college, with each program to be introduced by their respective program chairs.
To formally recognize the achievements of our awardees, the medals and certificates shall be awarded by Honorable Jeannie Ann Santobo, City Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Regents. Honorable Federico S. Sandoval, Chairman of Red Cross Malabon Chapter. Councilor Maria Ana Lisa G. Yambao. Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon, University President. Dr. William B.C. Enrique, Vice President for Academic Affairs and Dean of School of Graduate Studies. Dr. Porfirio Catolico Jr., Vice President for Administration and Finance and OIC Vice President for Research, Development, and External Affairs, and the respective deans.
To commence the recognition of awardees from the College of Arts and Sciences, may we call on Professor Janeline Tan for the presentation of awardees from the Bachelor of Arts in Journalism. Professor Janeline Tan will be represented by Professor Madonna Angsuliam, SASO Director. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, my dear MCs. It is my honor to show the list of candidates for Latin Honors and their Bachelor of Arts major in Journalism. To begin with, C. Kimberly L., cum laude. Belio Vin Vanesvi, cum laude. Flores Maria Tanilis, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism Student, Best in Internship Award, cum laude. Lourdes Stephanie Ira M, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism, Best in Internship Award, cum laude. Jumoas John Mark O, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism, Best in Leadership Award, cum laude. Camposano Claudine, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism, Best in Leadership Award, cum laude. Vienna John David, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism, Best in Leadership Award, recognition from our City Vice Mayor, cum laude. Lolo Josel Daphne, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism and Best in Leadership Award, magna cum laude. Fernando Paula Artrell, magna cum laude. Nita Jefferson B., Outstanding Leadership Award for Student Organization, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism, and Best Leadership Award, magna cum laude. Colliers Aliza H., Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism and Best Leadership Award, magna cum laude. Flores Divina O., Outstanding Leadership Award for Student Organization, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism, Best Leadership Award and Certificate of Recognition from the Office of the Vice Mayor, magna cum laude. Villarreal Audra Lim, Outstanding Award in Campus Journalism and Leadership Award, summa cum laude. And those are the list of candidates with Latin honors from Bachelor of Arts in Journalism.
Thank you, Professor Madonna Angelian. We now proceed with the presentation of awardees. From the Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, may we call on Dr. Sahabi Labtu for the presentation of the awardees.
Presenting the chairperson in Bachelors of Arts, Major in Political Science, Jenny Grace P. Ijukalan, cum laude. Micaela or Alay, cum laude. Denise Joy C. Ruaya, cum laude. Angela May S. Sayas, magna cum laude. Lynette M. Benitez, outstanding in awards and outstanding in thesis, magna cum laude. Daniela Faith B. Siata, outstanding awards and best internship, magna cum laude. Althea S. Ruiz, magna cum laude. And we have Trisha May B. Salazar, magna cum laude. Congratulations to all and God bless.
Thank you, Dr. Sahabi Labtu. Next, we recognize the awardees from the Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration. May we now call on Dr. Arnel Basilio for the presentation of the awardees.
It is my honor to present to you the list of candidates for Latin Honors, Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration. Crystalline Joy, cum laude. Rubio Mesach P., cum laude. Ventura Arlan A., cum laude. Bustos Migo Alexis B., cum laude. Bahalya John Carl O. Cum laude. Lemonera Dexter M. Cum laude. Saludario Tihay T. Cum laude. Amor John Arvin S. Cum laude. De Guzman Chris Andrea T. Magna Cum laude. Villajos Charlene C. Magna Cum laude. Gomez Maricris D. Magna Cum laude. Padar Queen Magna Cum laude. Diaz Realin D. Magna Cum laude. Tobias Jamon A. Magna Cum laude. Mortel Ronaldin A. Magna Cum laude. Manansala Micaela D. Magna Cum laude. Agapito Rio Desiree Q. Magna Cum laude.
Thank you, Dr. Arnel Basilio. Finally, we present the awardees from the Bachelor of Science in Social Work. May we again call Professor Madonna Angsandiam for the presentation of the awardees.
It is my honor to present the list of candidates for Latin honors under the Bachelor of Science in Social Work. To begin with, Asada Jose Rafael M. Cum laude. Mahino Marizo R. Cum laude. Torrejos Mika J. Cum laude. Lekin Joshua C. Magna Cum laude. Reyes Angelica Jane. Magna Cum laude. Lebeco Maria Daniela. Magna Cum laude. Madrid Christian Jane, Outstanding Student Leadership Awardee, Best in Internship Awardee, Magna Cum laude. Tayao Danica V, Best in Internship Awardee, Magna Cum